do we make change? What will it take? Maybe, just maybe, we should try Unity. The genesis begins right here. With 8,000 VIP NFT tickets deployed on the Polygon network, and also viewable and tradable on OpenSea, these exclusive NFTs provide a unique utility use case. Anyone with a Web3 wallet, like MetaMask, will be able to connect to vip.tryunity.life and mint one or more TryUnity VIP NFTs for only 20 Matic each. Every single VIP NFT will come with whitelist access to join the TryUnity DeFi dApp. Each and every VIP NFT will also come with an airdrop of 2x generator NFTs, which when available, can be staked to earn daily passive rewards in our native token, WAGA. Moreover, the wallet that mints the 8,000th VIP NFT will receive 40,000 Matic. On top of all that, 30,000 Matic will be allocated for the giveaway party. Hundreds of African Startup League accounts will be given away, along with gold, silver, electronics and a vacation or two. It doesn't stop there though. The TryUnity VIP NFTs are extremely exclusive. Each VIP NFT qualify for a share of the 0.1% of the TryUnity DEX trading fees. Again, there are only 8,000 VIP NFTs, and they all have long-term utility and value, and one of the main utilities is whitelist access to join the TryUnity dApp at launch for the first 24 hours before the rest of the internet world. After the minting phase is complete, finalization and launch of the TryUnity dApp will commence. The launch of this unique protocol will trigger a profound method in which smart contract technology will allow wealth to be distributed in more favor to the people rather than in hierarchy made of a few people at the top. In a very transparent manner, wealth will be divided among the people and also towards the Isle of Judah Development Fund. The development and research projects within the Isle of Judah Development Fund includes acquisition of the Isle of Judah land, cruise lines company and private land retreat, Yaqui Awakened Inspired Vertical Farming District, Cultural Amusement Park, Creative Institute Campus, State-of-the-Art International Shipping and Airport Hub, State-of-the-Art Solar Farm, and a 3,000-acre reforestation and habitat conservation. In the near future, further details on these projects will be discussed. Please note, we originally mentioned launching on the Ultron blockchain, but we would like to once again declare within this video, we are launching on Polygon. This is just the beginning, there is so much more to talk about, but join our Discord community so we can all communicate and build. Don't waste time, the more VIP NFTs you own, the more you will win and be in position to help others. Mint your VIP NFT today. And let's try Unity.